Okay, so here's my trade recap for the day. Um, what's today? Tuesday, the 11th. So my open morning trade. So the action in the beginning was significant downtrend. Um, without more volume, I wasn't as confident into entering this trade for the morning. So I figured I'd wait till the bounce, which has been a pretty systematic staple lately, that it bounces after the first 30 minutes. And that's where I entered. I actually entered right at the bottom. I caught the bottom where you saw this top wick on the red that told me that there was momentum change, and then that green. I entered right in the bottom when that happened. I didn't hold as long as I could have, but as you see in the bottom here where I entered, it had increasing volume with green candles. That was my trigger point that I was in the correct position. And then my exit up here, it was losing momentum. And you see where I marked down in here on the bottom, it was losing volume as well. So losing momentum and losing volume, I wasn't convinced that it could have strong continuation. It did continue on for another dollar or so for another 30 minutes, but I got out pretty reasonably with a good profit. And you see here I made 42 bucks on that one. Um, just kind of breaks down what my thought process was and all of that. And then my afternoon trade, I actually did this while I was in the movie theater. I caught this in the afternoon. It's been a set pattern in the afternoon after it's been having some significant downtrending. Then it bounces up. And so I entered here when I saw increased volume again. And yeah, I had a reversal candle right afterwards, but it wasn't substantial. I didn't have confidence that was a substantial move. And so I stayed in my position. All the order flow and everything was indicating bigger moves. And so then I got out here. Again, you see down here, diminishing volume when I exited, and a what they call a Doge candle. So the direction was changing some. And as you can see, when you keep looking forward, I was correct. It started getting choppy. Um, yeah, so that was my trade on that one. And this one was the home run. I actually entered in with some solid position, 8 cents per contract, and I did 10 of them, so it was only $80 total. Came out with a $150 profit on top of all that. So good trade overall.